sikat na singer po. So, tapos yun. Hanggang sa madami siyang ginagawang videos, covers po sa YouTube. And then, nakilala niya si Kayla na kung saan nagpatibok ng kanyang puso, na kung saan andang gawin lahat para mapaibig at makuha ang kanyang minamahal. Yan
Pero
po.
what do you do before?
Before po ay, actually ang ginagawa more on modeling po ako. Commercial model, around print ad. Tapos, before sa ABS po ako, nag-teleserye din po ako doon. Bali, best friend ako ni Paolo Pilico sa isang teleserye po with Bea Alonso. Then after that, puro guesting na po sa GMA. And then, ito na yung first break ko po na kinuha po ako ng TV5. Maraming salamat po. At binigyan ako ng chance, di ba? Gagalingan ko palalo. Thank you po.
Hello po, good afternoon po. Ako po, like, background first. I'm under Star Magic po. I used to play Maya Bianca from Pangako Sa'yo. So that was my first ever teleserye. So since Pangako Sa'yo ho, I've been just focusing on my studies because I'm taking up CS in accountancy. I'm actually graduating na po. So yes. Yes, I passed my subjects last week. So yun, I'm happy. Apart from that, medyo good timing po itong Wattpad kasi I got the job like the day after I found out I passed all of my subjects. So sunod-sunod po yung blessings naman. So yun po, how I got po the project is, tinext lang po ako ng hunter ko from Star Magic at the Porsche. Tapos, yun ho, tuloy-tuloy po, tinanong po ako like if I'm comfortable doing this role, like tapos binigay yung background Kayla sa akin. And I said, I'm game naman po talaga because for me, as an actress, I consider professionalism in this career is very important. And apart from that, this is actually my first leader role that I've ever gotten. So from contrabida to bida. And for me, as an actress, I'm very happy that I'm able to do diverse roles because it's fun. As an actress, ang masaya ho na magampanan ng kakaibang roles each and every time, whether bida, kontrabida, psychic. Tapos, yun ho. So, that's what I do.
Hello, ako naman po. Nagsimula po akong umarte sa high school. Philippine High School for the Arts graduate po ako. So, I was a theater student there.
Kate! Oh my God, I'm sorry, I didn't recognize you. Sorry.
Hello po. Sana mas maganda na po ako ngayon.
Yeah.
Sana po. So yun po, theater major po ako sa high school. Tapos, my first big break po was Oh My G. Ako po yung contributed doon, starring si Janela Salvador. That was an ABS. Tapos sunod-sunod na po, I was guesting in other teleseries po in ABS. And luckily, nakapag-Wattpad po ako. Tapos I'm able to do other projects po with other networks and also films. Yung last film ko po was for Cinnamon Originals na Baka Bukas. So I played Jasmine Curtis's ex-girlfriend. So nagpapasalamat po talaga ako na sunod-sunod po yung mga projects and I'm able to work with different networks. With regards naman po kung paano ko po nakuha yung role ko, kinontak po ng Unitel Productions po yung manager ko. So ayun po.
So, palabkasan kay Mama Donna, since na-mention na they were all being contacted by company.